Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Yet another video in which mixed numbers are involved. I hope you have seen the previous videos in which I told you the basics of fractions and I told you how to convert the mixed numbers to improper fractions. Now is the reverse case. We will be given improper fractions and we will try to convert them to mixed numbers. So basic division has to be really strong. So all those students who haven't seen our division and divisibility tricks in recent uploads, please see the playlist and watch those videos. You will be really comfortable with basic divisions, and once you are comfortable with that, this video and these questions are not at all going to bother you. So what is the title of the video? In this video, I am going to take up converting improper fractions to mixed numbers, and this happens to be from the chapter number 5, Art of Manipulating Fractions, of our ebook of short tricks. So if you don't have a copy till now, you are missing out on something very useful and interesting. So if you want to qualify all those Olympiads and be a cut above other students, then you need to study from this right from the basic level. So if you are a school student, college student, working on your placement examination attempting skills and quantitative aptitude preparation, this ebook is for you. Get a copy now by sending me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896369963. All these details which I have written here are contained in the description of this video as well. So friends, let's understand the concept behind the trick, because concept is everything. Once you understand why a particular thing is being done, you will remember it for life. But if you see only the short trick, then it is going to trouble you when you have 30, 40, even 100 short tricks in your kitty. So friends, the concept of the video. So we are talking about converting an improper fraction to a mixed number. Now for that, I will take an example of, say, a number like 32, and I will divide that by 7. Now it's an improper fraction, right? Because the numerator is greater than the denominator. See, 32 is greater than 7. So it's an improper fraction. This improper fraction can be represented as a whole number and a proper fraction. A proper fraction. And we can write them together. So when the whole number part and the proper fraction part are written together, it is known as a mixed number. That is containing both the whole number and the fraction. So mixed. That is why the name mixed number. Now, what is the whole number part? Once you divide 32 by 7, you will have a quotient, right? 7 4s are 28. So you have 4 as the remainder. So whatever quotient we get, this whole number is actually the quotient when you divide the numerator by denominator. And what is the proper fraction? Proper fraction is this remainder upon the divisor. So if you do remainder upon divisor, you will have the proper fractional part of the mixed number. So what is the representation of an improper fraction in terms of the mixed number? You have to write the quotient, which will give you the whole number part, and then write remainder upon divisor, which will give you the proper fraction part, because the remainder will always be less than divisor, and that is basic rule of division, right? You can't have a remainder which is more than divisor, then the division will continue. So proper fraction is remainder upon divisor. So whenever you have to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number, divide it and just write quotient followed by remainder upon divisor, you will get the mixed number form. So that is the concept involved in the trick. So let's see some questions now. Here we have 15 by 7. So I'll quickly divide 15 by 7 for you. 7 2 times is 14. Subtract, you get 1. So what is the mixed number format? Quotient. So I'll write quotient remainder upon divisor. Okay. So quotient is 2. Remainder is 1. Upon divisor is 7. See how I have written. The whole number part is in alignment with this bar. So you have to write it like this. You can't write 2 1 by 7. So it will look like 21 by 7. So that will be a wrong representation. So 2 1 by 7 is the mixed number of 15 by 7. Likewise 23 by 20. So I can divide 23 by 20. 21s are 20 and remainder is 3. So what is the representation? Quotient 1, remainder 3 and then divisor 20. So 1 3 by 20. 1 is the whole number part. 3 upon 20 is the proper fraction part. Let's have more questions. 148 and I need to divide that by 31. Now 31 4 times will give me 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Subtract, you get 4 and 2, 24, and 24 is smaller than 31, so I can't divide further. So the representation is quotient 4, remainder 24 upon divisor 31, and here is the exact representation of 148 upon 31 as a mixed number. Likewise 233 and divide that by 72. So 70 into 3 is 210. So 3 times will be 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Subtract, you get 7 and 1, 17, and there are no more numbers here. So 17 is smaller than 72. So 17 is the remainder. And so what is the answer? Quotient 3, the remainder 17 and the divisor 72, which is the mixed number representation of this big improper fraction. Likewise, see, I can go on and on, but I can only increase the numbers. The concept remains the same, but you have to be very good in your division skills. So here we have 498 and I need to divide that by 125. Now I know that 125 4 times is 500, but I have to do 3 times because it will give me 375. So when I subtract, I get 3, 2 and a 1. And now see, 123 is smaller than 125, so I can't proceed further, and this itself is the remainder. So what is the answer? Quotient 3, remainder 123, and divide that by the divisor 125, which gives me the mixed number representation of this improper fraction. Likewise 1089 by 652. So 652 is the divisor, 1089 is the dividend. I can't do 2 times because 600 2 times is 1200. So I have to do 1 time, 652 only. So if you subtract, you get 7, you get 3, and 10 minus 6 is 4. Now see, 437. You can't divide that further because 437 is smaller than 652, and therefore you have to write quotient 1, remainder 437 and divisor 652, which gives you the mixed number representation of this big improper fraction. So basic division skills and you get through the concept. So practice is really important. Start practicing and you will feel comfortable. Friends, if you are liking all these videos, if you are a student, share it with your classmates. If you are preparing for placement exams, share this in your WhatsApp groups. And if you are a teacher, that it gives you more responsibility, sharing it on your class groups, so that the students get benefit out of these useful videos. So do subscribe to our YouTube channel, Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, and don't forget to hit the like button and the bell icon for getting all the notifications on your mobile itself. Practice 40-50 such questions, then you will feel more comfortable. All the best.